What we value most should last the longest. To James Hardie, that means building homes with authentic character and uncompromising performance. James Hardie Siding and Trim give you the timeless beauty of wood with less maintenance, so your home can keep performing beautifully year after year, no matter what nature brings to Minnesota. Choose a 100% Hardie builder for the peace of mind that comes with the best siding warranty in the industry. 30 years, non-prorated, transferable. On top of that protection, you have our unmatched 10-year service commitment. We're so confident in our 100% Hardie exterior. If you encounter any siding or trim issue during the first 10 years, call us and we'll come fix it at no cost to you. Choose America's #1 brand of siding and the only trim with the strength to stand beside it. Find a builder who believes in 100% Hardie as much as we do right here. James Hardie. We build character.